Hi guys, so apologies for the audio in this video. I forgot to turn my mic on during recording, so just skip to 1 minute 20 if you want to go directly to the tutorial. And once again, apologies for the audio. Enjoy. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Super Mario Bros. Wonder for completely free. This is a brand new game out and it's pretty expensive because of that. But I've managed to find a method of getting Super Mario Bros. Wonders for free, and it takes just a few minutes, and this is going to save you tons of money. This will get you a digital game code for the Nintendo Switch, which you simply have to redeem either in the eShop or on your Nintendo Switch device itself, and it's going to start downloading the game for completely free. This method only takes around 5 minutes and you're going to be able to get your code and save you a ton of money. Obviously this is a brand new game out and this is a full version of the game. So let me record my mobile phone and put the recording here so you can all follow along at home. And yeah, let's get Super Mario Bros. Wonders for free. So let me record my screen and get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so basically grab your mobile phone for this and open up Google. You can go on any browser, just go to Google and type in this website here, speedycoupons.com. So speedycoupons.com and press search, and you're looking for this website here, www.speedycoupons.com, the ultimate coupon site. And this is the website you need to look for. If it doesn't look like this, you've probably gone to the wrong website, so make sure you do go to this page. And they specialize in providing basically codes for pretty much everything that's going to save you money. But if you go to the search bar and just type in super, you should pop straight up Super Mario Bros. Wonder free Switch game code. Open that page up by pressing it. You can see there are a bunch of these codes remaining, so no worries if you find this video late. And you can see Switch game, free digital copy of Super Mario Bros. Wonder for Nintendo Switch. So this code is super popular guys, so yeah, it's guaranteed to work, rated pretty highly, over 500 times. So to get your code, press show code, and this is going to pop up which confirms this is a Nintendo Switch copy of Super Mario Bros. Wonder, and you can see it's given us the start of the code. It says Wonder with some stars. Basically those stars are locked codes. We need to unlock the full code here. This just protects them from robots. So tap unlock code. This doesn't take too long. And you're going to come across this screen, which is completely normal guys, and it's really easy. Basically we need to complete 2 of the things on this screen to unlock your copy of the game. So basically you're going to get a list of little tasks here, and we need to complete 2 of them, and they're all completely free, and there is a description below each one on how to complete them. So if you look at, say, this red one here that says have a chance to win an Argos gift card, it says fill in your personal valid details and confirm. So this is just like a free survey pretty much. So you can see I just need to basically run through these steps on here, and I need to input my valid email address. So let me go back, and then I'm also going to click on a second one. So this Family Island, it says download, then complete level 8. So this is like a free game, and I just need to download the game and play it until level 8. So it's going to take me to the App Store. It's a completely legit game. Let me download that. So basically guys, just choose any 2 tasks that you see on this screen and complete them, and it should release your digital game code for Super Mario Bros. Wonder. So let me pause the video and finish these tasks, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just finished those 2 tasks I showed you. So I just have to make sure you follow the instructions on this page and ensure you do fully complete any 2 of the tasks. Like I said, these will depend on your country. You're going to get slightly different ones, but they're always going to be completely free. So yeah, just take your time and fully complete 2 of them. There's also a help function down here, support chat. So if you need any help, just tap that and ask it any questions. So once you've fully completed those 2 tasks that you chose, If you do 2 and it hasn't worked, try a third, but it should work after 2. Hit your tabs button like I did then, and then you can see this tab down here at the bottom. Open that one up, and it's now given me my Nintendo Switch eShop code for a free digital copy of Super Mario Bros. Wonder. So that is how easy this is. It took me around 5 minutes just to basically fully complete these steps, and you're going to get your free copy of the game. So this code one of you can grab, because I'm not going to be using it. This is going to give one of you a free digital copy of the full game for Mario Bros. Wonder, but one of you can use that and it's going to be invalid. So you're going to need to go and get your own code, guys, at speedycoupons.com. Follow the instructions you've seen in this video. If you need any help obtaining your free copy of the game, just leave a comment below and I'll try and help you out. But please do give this a go first. Hit that like button if you've got your game, so everyone who's not sure if this works, check the likes. If there's tons of likes, yeah, this works. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Peace out.